Alright, today we have an unboxing of a Greenwood propane torch that I got from Harbor Freight. The part number on it is 57061. As you probably remember in my previous little video, I scorched the wood on my fence. I had a little bitty torch, so I decided to upgrade and use this bad boy. So let's get after it. Alright, so this thing was pretty well packaged. I decided to get the one for $24 without the automatic igniter. The one with the igniter was $34, but from the reviews I read, it doesn't always work. So I just decided to save me 10 bucks and to use a lighter. Hopefully I don't lose any fingers. Alright. So our torch here has left-handed threads that will thread directly into the inside of your 15-pound propane tank that you would use on your gas grill or your gas porch heater or any other crawfish boiler, whatever. So nice and snug. That'll be good enough. I don't know if you guys can catch that. That's without the trigger being pushed. That's with the trigger. It's putting off a good bit of heat. I'm going to use that to scorch my fence, and I'll do a video on that coming soon. Stay tuned.